Welcome to our step-by-step guide on starting a profitable cleaning business in the USA. Whether you are a meticulous cleaner or an aspiring entrepreneur, this guide will help you establish a successful cleaning business. Here are the key steps you need to follow. Step 1. Research and planning. Begin by researching the local cleaning industry. Identify your target market and analyze the competition. Develop a solid business plan that outlines your goals, target audience, and marketing strategy. Step 2. Legal requirements. Register your business name and obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Contact your state and local authorities to understand the specific requirements for starting a cleaning business in your area. Step 3. Choose your services. Decide what type of cleaning services you will offer. From residential to commercial, there are various niches in the cleaning industry. Determine your expertise and focus your services accordingly. Step 4. Set your pricing strategy. Research the market rates for cleaning services in your area. Consider factors such as labor costs, supplies, and overheads. Find a competitive pricing model that ensures profitability while staying attractive to potential clients. Step 5. Marketing and advertising. Develop a strong online presence by creating a professional website and utilizing social media platforms. Utilize online ads, flyers, and referrals to promote your services locally. Networking with other businesses can also be beneficial. Step 6. Build a reliable team. Hiring and training reliable cleaners is essential for the success of your cleaning business. Screen potential employees carefully, provide proper training, and maintain strong communication to ensure high-quality service delivery. Step 7. Establish strong customer relations. Focus on exceptional customer service to build long-term relationships with your clients. Strive for customer satisfaction by promptly addressing any concerns or issues that may arise. Step 8. Expand and scale. Once you have built a solid foundation, consider expanding your business. Hire additional staff or offer additional services to increase your revenue streams. Thanks for watching our step-by-step guide on starting a profitable cleaning business in the USA. We hope these insights will help you embark on this rewarding journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks.